Welcome to DataPencil.
Hello everyone, welcome back to day 41 of our 50-day SQL challenge. First of all, a huge congratulations to all the learners who stayed consistent and dedicated till day 40. Today we have released our top performers based on their dedication, consistency. So you can check all the selected names on our website, which is www.datapencil.org. The link is in the description as well, and I have pinned the comment too. So you can check it from there. And if you are new to this channel and want to participate in our 50 days SQL challenge, or you want to participate in our SQL AI course, which is absolutely free, and then you will earn the certificate as well, or any other data science challenge or courses, then make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel right now, because we regularly share registration opening dates, important announcements, community posts, challenge related information through our YouTube community post. Alright guys. Also, you can follow our official WhatsApp channel. The link you will find in the description. There as well, we share every important update, resources, forms, PDFs and announcements regularly. So let's begin with our day 41, and today we are going to start our project, and the project is e-commerce sales analysis system. Here we have total 5 tables: the customer table, order details table, payment table, product table and the orders table. Alright guys, so first of all, let's prepare the setup part where we are going to create our tables and set the data type as varchar, because we know things can be messy at initial. Okay, so first of all, let's have a look at our ER diagram. This is our ER diagram. Here we can simply see the sequence in which we have to create the tables. So as per the rule, what we have to do, we firstly have to create those tables that have only one primary key. Okay, here we have customers table. You can see it's one primary key. Customer ID's parent table is customers. That's why it is called as primary key. Now after that, we have product table. Here again, product ID is behaving as a primary key because it's in the original table. The source is product here. Okay, and then you can see in the products table, product ID is the only primary key, no other foreign key or anything else. So it is in its parent table, right? So first of all, we can create customers table, then products table. Either we can do this, or if we talk about orders table, here also we have one primary key as well as one foreign key, but at the second place we can create orders table too. Why? Because the whatever foreign key orders table has, its parent table, it's already been created. Okay, whatever foreign key this orders table has, which is customer ID, its parents table customers is already been created. Fine. So either at first we can create customer, second product, third orders, or we can create at first customer, at second orders and at third product, and then at fourth there we have to create order details table, because you can see that it has one primary key as well as two foreign keys. So the foreign key, which is order ID, its parent table is this is also created. The foreign key, second foreign key, product ID, its parent table is also created. Now the last one is the payments table. So at last we will create this payments table. So for the showing purpose, I will show you how to create customers table and then the orders table, because it contains one foreign key as well. Okay, as you all are now on day 41, so I'm hoping that you guys know the basic fundamentals. Okay, if you find any difficulty, any problem you face, then please comment below. I will try to solve, I will try to help you out. Okay, rest, I'm assuming that you guys know the basic things, so I'm not going to explain in a deeper manner. Fine, but still I will explain the whatever depth is needed. All right, so now let's quickly start creating our table 1, which is customers table. So create table raw customers. Okay, and the first column is customer ID, and as we all know that at initial we are going to give the varchar as data type, because there might be messy issue. Now the second one is customer name. So customer name, the varchar, and let's increase the limit here. The next one is city and varchar again, and the last one is sign up date. Okay, this one also go with the varchar. This is it. Now let's run this query and let's see. So our customers table is created. Now the second table that we will create will be orders table. So create raw orders table. Okay, and the columns are order ID, customer ID and the order date. So order ID, varchar, customer ID, varchar, order date. varchar. Okay. Now let's run this too. So our orders table is also created. After refreshing, you will see that your table is visible here. All right. Now, it's your job to complete the remaining part, which is to create order details table, payments table, and the last one is products table. Okay. After that, what you have to do, you have to simply load the data using MySQL. Okay, the way we did at our day, I guess it was day 2nd or 3rd. So you have to load the data. Then tomorrow onwards, we will start data cleaning part. Firstly, this will be our step 2. The first step is to create the project setup. The step 2 is to do the cleaning so that we can do analysis. I know the work is more today, and from today onwards, you can expect more work, more queries. So be prepared with it, and it will be very helpful at the end, trust me. All right, guys. So complete this work and submit it via submission form. What you have to do, you have to save this file again. Okay, as I have saved as day 41, and then just upload it on GitHub. Day 41, upload it on GitHub. Okay. Okay, guys. So see you tomorrow with day 42. And till then, take care. Keep practicing. Bye-bye.